miss another update.
Hello, good day my techies. Today I'm going to show you how to fix database connection error. I'm going to show you how to fix database connection error. First and foremost, we are going to go to, I'm using localhost. Let me open my localhost and show you something. So once you go to localhost, okay, my localhost, now I want to install WordPress. The name of the file is online course. I want to show you how to fix database connection error. Online course. Online course. Okay. Now the database and WordPress. Now database name is my database name is online course. Username is going to be hidden. Now this is localhost, this is table prefix. Don't worry, I will show you, I will do a video on this one to show you how to secure your website. Now can't select database. We are unable to connect to your database server, which means your username. If you try it again, it will still show you the same thing. Online course. Let me show you the folder. So you see that we are correct. Online course, see the folder. So we want to install WordPress. If you know anything about WordPress, you understand what I'm saying. Now let's go back and try it again. Online course. Online course. That database name. Okay. See the database name. Database name. Look, PHP admin. This is the database name, online course. That is the database name. Now, if we try to install it, my password is root, my username is root. If we try to install it, it will still show error. Now, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Now, let me show you some tricks. If you come over to this side, let me minimize it. I don't know why it's moving. If you come over to this side, you will right click. You will see MariaDB. This is the default database. Default database. And another I want to show you is if you come to this side, and I think if you go to PHP admin, let me show you something. It's not PHP admin. Sorry. If you go to, I think, localhost. Let's try this one. Are you seeing? There's a place to show you the data. Okay, now default database. I using the port defined from MariaDB. This is the port that default database. So we are going to change it into MySQL. So that's why it's writing this connection error. If you also try to do this, if you want to run to this place, test MySQL, you still get the same error. Let's check. Maybe after installing one server, I'm using one server. After installing it, you want to check whether your server is connected to your database, whether your server is connected to your database. Let's check this. Test MySQL. So let's do it now. Do localhost /test MySQL. Click enter. I see connection okay. Our connection is but our default database is called what? MariaDB. Now, having seen all these things, I'm going to show you how to fix this error. Now let's change it. Come to this place, right click. It's not right click here, precisely right click. Why is not right clicking? Right click. Now go to tools. You now go to what? Invert default database server MariaDB to MySQL. Click on it. It's going to restart. One server is going to restart. I've turned to yellow means red means one service is running, yellow means two services are running, Green means 3 services are running, or all the services are running. It's going to talk to green. Now once you talk to green, let's refresh. And you see, even the database has a default this thing as MariaDB. Now if I refresh, it's going to turn to MySQL. Refresh this. Let's see what's going to happen. MySQL. Refresh this. Let's see what's going to happen. Look at this place. Look at it. Refresh. Okay, we are going to open a new one. Let's test MySQL. This one server 8.0.1. This is the port for MySQL. If you also open that, the one I showed you, which will refresh, it didn't work. If you also open my PHP admin, I think localhost. Let's see. Are you seeing it? Now the default database is called what? MySQL. Now MariaDB has come back. Previously MariaDB was up, now it has come and down, which means MySQL is the first selection, MariaDB is the second selection, MySQL is the default. So I hope you have taught you how to fix the error. Now let's continue our installation. Let's know whether it will going to work again. Online course, root, password, yeah, localhost, wp, that's the table prefix. Click submit. Are you seeing it? All right. We are now done with the 5 minutes installation. This is called WordPress 5 minutes installation. Let's click run installation. Now we now click. This is a kind of, I'm teaching you how to install WordPress together with the how to fix database connection error. Now let's put site title, maybe online course, something like that. Online teaching. Let's say online teaching. Let's not do online course. Now username, let's use anything you want to use. I'm going to hide this one. I'm going to hide it for security purposes. Now confirm with password. If you use web password, you need to confirm it. Let me put my email, maybe contact tech guys contact, sorry, it's called contact at techguys.com.ng. Now you don't need to click this discourage the search engine from indexing this site. No, you need to allow it to be visible. This is for SEO, search engine optimization. I'm watching it site to be short and snappy. Now let's log in. Now let's put our password. Now we are logged into this is the WordPress dashboard. So with all this, I've taught you how to fix this connection error in when installing WAMP. Once you install WAMP, the default server is MariaDB. If you try to install it into MySQL server, you are going to encounter an error. So please like and subscribe my video for weekly updates. Click the bell icon so you'll be notified once I upload my video. Have a nice day. Bye.